the small or mini D handle shovel. The D being the shape of the handle, the D handle, and the mini shovel. This is AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. And this video we're going to be looking at many of the different shovels that go in an urban gardening kit. I'm currently landscaping in New York City and Brooklyn, and have other videos on the backpack and the entire contents of all the different professional tools that you'll need to garden in urban environments. These tools are also applicable to any gardening business or area. Back to the shovel. There are many brands: Union Tools, Tabor Tools, Ames. This is actually the Ames because they make the wooden handle, which is nice. I like the wooden handle, although they do rot out eventually. But I will put links to all the different shovels below the video in the description here. Cole is another brand. Fiskars, Bully, Truper, Truper, Truper. And then Bond is the main one I'm recommending. Has a red fiberglass handle. They're all basically the same shape and size. The tangs are nice to step on, a little more leverage, which is hard to do when you're up in planters, but if you're just doing bulbs or something in the ground, this is a great little tool to have. It fits in the computer slot in the Jansport Odyssey 39 backpack. Bond brand is a good one. They have a subset of ones. They're called Bloom, and they come in not the red. Red's my favorite color. I don't know what your favorite color. Maybe your favorite color is purple, green, or aquamarine. And the Bloom brand comes with the handle in those fun colors, which I'll also put that link down there. Radius Garden has circular handles, which is just sort of gimmicky. They alternate to the D handle, which is like the perfect size and placement for such a thing, and it fits perfectly in the backpack right next to the expandable telescoping broom handle with the head folds, and it's got the dustpan right with it. We covered that in another video, but you can see, nice compact, ready to go professional set. The perfect kit of tools and gear for the urban gardener. And this has been AgX Presents, and I'm Damon, and I'll see you in some other videos.